Hey y'all, what is up everybody? What is up YouTube? Sparky Mark, and I'm back to do a bit of a review and unboxing of an item and what item I'm talking about. If you see the title and the picture, you know what it is. If you're anxious to know what's in this thing, enough rambling and stuff. Al, don't, no more. How am I gonna open it with? This is a box, and how am I gonna open it with? With this. No chit chat, let's open it up. Already good packaging and double packaging. So no chit chat, let's see in the man cave. Let's see what's in here, like now. Alrighty folks, so alright, you just saw my as of like a couple hours ago, you saw my unboxing for the FPS documentary. It's finally here, and the next one that you're about to see, folks, ooh, it's a treat for all you young fans of horror. Young BUCKSs have never heard of this particular franchise, or you have or hadn't if you read something of the novella of the Clive Barker short stories or the novels Hellbound Heart. Oh, we have such sights to show you. And here's what you're going to be seeing, folks. Oh my god, do your eyes deceive you? Is that... Well, it's technically not the Pinhead one that I ordered. I ordered this from the Arrow Video website because this is their exclusive look. The exclusive box set for the Hellraiser Quartet. The Hellraiser Quartet of Torment. And it is a very heavy one. It has the films in some sort of digibook form, and you got this 200-page book. It's not ripped or anything, it's how it looks, and it's The Age of Desire. And I think it's written by the great Clive Barker. Yeah, so what you're looking at here is the chatter version, because I thought I ordered the Pinhead one, but it looks like I ordered it off their website, and lo and behold, this is what I got, and I pre-ordered this like 3 months ago, and here it is. And this is from their Arrow Video UK website. This is only an exclusive one. So I can get the Pinhead. And it's 4K UHD plus Blu-ray. And if you see that, they're not telling you region codes or anything. Suitable for only 18 for a person. Pause it very carefully. Hold on a second, folks. Okie dokie. So yeah, I'm just gonna unwrap this and show you the back, but I'm not gonna like explain this whole set very quickly. Because it's a pretty long one, to tell you the truth, and this is a very big of a box set. And it's got a nice J card on it. But extremely careful if you ever get one of these badasses. It's got tortures of chains all around. Wow. And oh yeah, let me show you something quick. Okay, let me just take this up a little and take it up. All right, you take it out of the box. Oh, you saw that, folks? You see the chatter's teeth, and out comes, and you see the inside of the chatter. All right, and the next item to come out of it, here you have an empty box. That's all you're gonna be getting, folks. But anyways, so nice dirty box. It's very, very beautiful. Charles Tarot video. Here's The Age of Desire. Help me, I'm in hell. You got the Hellraiser cast and crew, Hellbound Hellraiser 2 cast and crew, Hellraiser 3 Hell on Earth cast and crew, Hellraiser 4 Bloodline cast and crew, Surgeons of God Step on the Forbidden Path of Hellraiser, Hellraiser Press Kid. Yeah, I could just zoom in and you can just pause it very carefully and you can read it yourself. So yeah, just a quick flipping around pages. Here are Hellraiser 1 and 2 casts. Pause that, folks. Hellraiser 3 cast and Hellraiser Bloodline cast and crew. Behind the scenes, and hold on. Oh yeah, Clive Barker, Peter Atkins, and Doug Bradley in a play called Night Live. This is a play that Clive Barker was involved in. And second, I'm not going to show you too much details on this book. It's probably got explicit stuff, and I don't want to be using this for age of content stuff. So yeah. Very cool restorations, yes. But quickly, this is Skinless Frank. Uncle Frank. Arrow video, ladies and gentlemen. And a quick, fast look at this digibook version of the set. You got the chatter. Okay, and it looks like it comes in a big slip box. Whoa! Whoa! Directly from Hellbound, we have shut sights to show you. Here it is. Splatter, isn't it? Oh, let's see the back. You saw this half, obviously, of the first 2 lines. Here are the discs. I'm gonna have to go sliding very carefully. For UHD Blu-ray. Yeah, 4K UHD Blu-ray of all the Hellraiser movies. So again, these are all region free. The 4Ks are all region free. So yeah, all the features are going to be in their own discs. It's a shame we can get them in like the other Hellraiser set that like maybe the Scarlet box or the regular box that only have the first 3 movies in a nice sturdy box, but it's a shame that that set is region B locked. The Scarlet box set is very hard to find, very pricey. This I can make an exception. It's a shame they could have done something more with it. So yeah. And I'll leave you links in the description box from the 2 dudes who have the Pinhead version of this set. You do see Chatter in the first movie for brief moments. And then the sequel, he has eyes, the Chatter, and then it's revealed that it was just. I'm not gonna. Okay, I want to make things clear, folks. If those who haven't seen Hellraiser, please pause this carefully. And second, any of you haven't seen, purchase this set or watch it online. But they don't have the director's cut online, which has more stuff that nobody noticed or that didn't even knew of the existence of Hellraiser. I first saw Hellraiser back when I was attending middle school days. At first I didn't like it, but when I got noticing it and this and that and how menacing the villain is, yeah, that's how I remember. I remember watching the other later Hellraiser sequels that were direct-to-video. I remember seeing bits and pieces of Hellraiser 5 Inferno, and then there was Hellseeker, and then there was Deader, and then there was a bit of pieces of all the Hellraisers, especially the last one, Hellworld. That wasn't that bad. Hellworld wasn't that bad. I don't give a damn. And all in all, it was a decent, cool film. And Doug Bradley did a great job as playing the role of Pinhead. And also, the later on ones, the one I want to mention in my video, one of my videos, Hellraiser Revelation was bullshit. It was not a good one. It was a rush production because Dimension Films at the time of 2011, they were on the verge of losing the rights to Hellraiser, to the Hellraiser franchise. And they were like rushing this project to keep the Hellraiser name for themselves. And ridiculous, they went low budget, they went 300 grand, and it was 73 minutes. Like, what? You just made a short Hellraiser movie. How could you? Why did you give us this nonsense? And Clive Barker tweeted it on Twitter saying that they stabbed my baby in the butt and that is not my baby. Anything that says based on Clive Barker's work, based on the characters by Clive Barker, it ain't mine. So yeah, and it was a found footage movie. It was terrible written, terrible, terrible, terrible. And then also you have Hellraiser Judgment, which was released in 2018 around the time of the release of Black Panther and the release of what was that other movie called? Oh yeah, Avengers 3 Infinity War. Yes. And what else? Oh yeah, Michael Myers came back to the screen for Halloween 2018. Awesome. And yeah, and Hellraiser Judgment wasn't that bad. I don't give a damn what anyone says. Heather Langenkamp came back, and well, and what else? The connection to the world of horror, of course. Also, you have some other familiar actors from the Lifetime films. They will later be working in the movies for Lifetime. Anybody knows that channel, Lifetime, they do movies, suspense movies, based on true events, loosely based on true events, and such. But anyways, I saw the recent one, and also last year, 2022, in October, we got or September, we got Hellraiser 2022. This time, the female is Pinhead, a female Cenobite. And it wasn't that bad. Minus I had to ignore some other stuff that's in there. I don't want to get into that. But the monsters were pretty cool. And then you have a greedy rich dude who wanted to know about this and that, and he paid the ultimate price, and now he's becoming a Cenobite. That's in Hulu. I hope Hulu can release that on Blu-ray and 4K, and make sure it's just like the Predator prequel Prey, which I recently got myself as well. I got to give a chance to see it. It's amazing. What I heard from my buddy Jeff from Films at Home. Shouts to you, Films at Home. You the man. So yeah, tell me what you guys think of the Hellraiser franchise. This is again the Quartet collection. Only the first 4. And okay, hold on a second, folks. All right, okay, so so pause this very carefully very, very carefully and read it, because I'm not going to get too much in depth. Alrighty. So yeah, and also all 4 Hellraiser movies are given nice, beautiful 4K restoration directly from the original camera negatives. Hell has never looked better. So yeah, this is a good content. Great box set. Shouts to the folks over at Arrow Video. Shouts to Arrow Video. So yeah. But I am going to be taking one of the... I'm not going to take the Scarlet Box. I'm just going to grab one of the digibook of Hellraiser 3, which is on the Scarlet Box, to get signed by the great Doug Bradley. I'm going to shake hands with him. I'm finally going to meet him. So yeah. And also for the Pinheads, of course, Doug Bradley did all 8. And the Revelations, bullshit, BS. And Hellraiser Judgment, that was played by Paul Taylor, and he and also was directed by the effects artist turned filmmaker by the name of Gary J. Tunnicliffe. He's worked on the Hellraiser film since I believe 2 or 3. So yeah. And let me be clear, only the first 4 Hellraisers got theatrical release. The last one, if you heard me talked about the genre, Hellraiser 4 Bloodlines was released in March of 2018, March of 1996, about a month before my 5th birthday, and yeah, this was around my 5th, it was before my 5th birthday, but I never saw it in theaters. If those who did, shouts to you guys, and let me know in the comments which is your favorite Hellraiser. To me, I rather like the whole franchise because it's like a story. I'm seeing the franchise as a big story, and I can't wait for the next one. I hope it kicks ass. Really. I hope it whips some ass. So if you like content like this, click the bell on the subscribe button to be notified about new uploads. Like the videos, you have any opinions, comments down below. So y'all, this is Sparky Marky Mark signing off. Y'all take care, God bless you, hear you, and see you on the next vid. Enjoy Thursday night, and enjoy the weekend. And be on the lookout for my video, y'all. I'm going to Spooky Empire in Orlando. So yeah, check me out on that video. I'm going to be there. Well, anyways, y'all, later, and I gotta go.